How to fix Optimum router not working. Step 1. Check for an Optimum outage. Before troubleshooting your router, check if Optimum service is down in your area. If there's an outage, you usually just need to wait for service restoration, and there's nothing you can do about it on your end. Step 2. Restart the modem and router. A proper restart order is unplug the modem, unplug the router, wait 30 to 60 seconds, plug the modem back in first, wait until modem lights stabilize, plug the router back in, and then wait 2 to 5 minutes. Optimum specifically recommends this restart sequence for internet issues. Third, check the router lights. The LEDs tell you what's wrong. Solid, white or green means it's working normally. A blinking internet light means it's connecting, a red light means no internet, and no lights is a power problem. And then we can factory reset the router. Only do this if nothing else works. Find the reset hole, hold the button for 10 to 15 seconds, and wait for a reboot. This restores default settings. If nothing works, then your only shot is to contact Optimum support, because this means that your modem or router may be defective, your line may have signal problems, there could be an account or service issue. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.